Hello, trading is closed on December 28th, 2016. Yesterday's call said unless we gapped up sharply and promptly took out this high, lower prices should print. And they did. We had some MEJT targets from the 23rd. They didn't print in the preferred time frame, but they printed today, and as usual, they defined a support or resistance level. In this case, it was support. There's a new MEJT target of 22.55, most likely to print tomorrow. It'll probably print, but it might not. Let's go over the reason why. In the afternoon, MEJT gave a buy and an ultimate buy. The ultimate hit its target, but we usually get more than the minimum, so that expects us to go higher. And we still have the buy signal, which hasn't been satisfied, so we have a target of 22.55. There's a good chance it'll print, but MEJT likes to leave a failed target as a major change in trends, so I wouldn't bet too much money on this. That's not where the real money is anyway. Let's go over the reason. We previously had a target for this leg of 22.7450. That was our price. The absolute high was 22.7753, so it came within 3 points. We had a retest at 22.73.82, so it was less than 1 point, just a fraction of a point at our price target. That was the price. In terms of time, this was our call for the top. It was December 13th, and that hit the top on the nose. So we hit the date of the high on the nose. We hit the price within 3 points here, within 1 point here, and we've now started an impulsive move down. Let's go over the wave count I've been using. We had this as wave C being completed for brown. This is brown C to complete gray B. This move down, we'll see in a minute, was a leading diagonal triangle. We now have an ABC with an impulsive move down. Let's hone in on that. Here's here's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 1. You can get some pretty cute Fibonacci relationships here. If we've completed 2 with A, B, and C, if that's A and that's B, you can see how C is a direct hit. You can have a good time with some of these other ones with the internal waves. If that's A of larger degree, and that's A of smaller degree, and that's B of smaller degree, there's your hit for C. And the same thing works for these other waves too. I think here's your A, B, C, D, E. Now it's possible to count this move as 5 waves down. If that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and an ending diagonal triangle, we could still rally at least up to the start of the triangle around the same 22.55 level we talked about earlier. But again, I don't think that's where the money is. I think this is where we are in the pattern. In addition to everything else, here's your old diamond on stilts. Here's the origin of the left stilt. when it gets tested this many times and you break below it, you're in for a big drop at any time. End of the year trading may delay the inevitable somewhat. We have a MEJT target of 22.55, most likely to print tomorrow. I think it's very risky to play the long side here. I think a big drop is coming, and I think the impulsive drop increases the likelihood that the time and the price we had for our high is going to work. And that's today's call.